Airbnb for Work has released their top 12 emerging destinations for digital nomads and business travelers. Bogotá, Colombia is topping the list with a nearly 200% year-over-year increase in travel bookings. Might want to check that out on your next trip to Medellin. And Bogotá is followed by Istanbul, Turkey, Bratislava, Slovakia, Malaga, Spain, been there, Lima, Peru, Marbella, Spain, Nuremberg, Germany, Venice, Italy, San Jose, California, Antibes, France, Krakow, Poland, and Miami, Florida, where I filmed Digital Nomad News a couple weeks ago. I have a few videos on what it's like to live in Spain and also Krakow, Poland, so I'll link to those for you. And make sure to check out our recent list on the overall top travel destinations for 2020. If you work in tech, we also have linked in this video's description a new report on the top 25 cities for tech job postings. And along with the usual suspects like New York and San Francisco, there are also a few cities that you might not have considered, including Tampa, Minneapolis, Phoenix, and Arlington, Virginia.